Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. Today, we have Miss Pena, who is our Master Calling Volunteer President, who is going to be making a finger thumb pot holder. The supplies you'll need are 1/4 of cotton fabric, 1/4 of batting, 1/4 of Insulite, and your sewing supplies. Now, let's welcome Miss Pena.
Okay, hello. My name is Miss Pena, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make finger thumb pot holder. And you can use it to grab your leads or anything that's hot from the oven. You're going to need 2 pieces of number 1, 2 pieces of number 2, 2 pieces of number 3, an Insulite, and a batting. Okay, we're going to start by layering our pieces together. You will need a fed quarter, or you can use scraps from any kind of materials that you have. I'm going to be using 2 different ones for my number 1 because I didn't have enough scraps of this one. Okay, first we're going to sew number 2 and number 3. And we're going to sew them on the larger side. This one's going to be on your large side, and this one is going to be on your straight side, not the pointed point. Backstitch. I'm going to press my seams open. That way when you fold it, you have a nice straight. We're going to top stitch 1/4 inch. Okay, now we're gonna start layering our materials. Your bottom piece is gonna be right side up. Then we're gonna do number 3 and number 2. Be sure that they're even, because when you're sewing, we want to be sure that you catch all your sides. The third layer is going to be your second large piece. This is going to be the outside, which will be this. Next, you're gonna layer your Insulite. And next, you're gonna layer your bedding. Okay, you need to make sure that all your edges are even, so when you sew them, none of them will stay out. I'm gonna pin it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the machine and sew it. We're gonna, you need to make sure you have all your beddings. We're gonna sew it with the right side, the material side up, so we can be sure that we're catching all our layers. We're gonna start on this side. Okay, now we're gonna clip our corners. And trimming all the excess. Now we're gonna flip it open. And you're gonna look for your bedding, your pencil bride, and next your large piece. And this is where we're gonna flip it over. Let's go in and pull our corners out. Okay, now the way we're gonna close the opening is we're gonna put our fingers in there. We're gonna flip it back. And we're gonna stitch and zigzag. Gonna trim. We're gonna zigzag the edge. There's your finished edge. So now we're gonna go back again and flip it back out. Push your corners out. And there you have it. Fingers, thumb. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Ms. Pena. Now, if you made this project, please hashtag MCV RGV Sew and follow us on our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you. Have a great day.